Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be doing like a little at-home entrepreneur vlog. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you're aware when I post, and let's get into it. So basically today is Easter and I am hosting an Easter sale for Lavish Curls Beauty. We got a few sales and everything, and then also I did get a package of ingredients for my next product that I'm going to be putting out. And if you guys basically didn't know, Lavish Curls is a natural hair care brand that I created, and our very first product is our hair growth oil. So that's what the sale is for this Easter weekend. And then the next product we're working on is our hair growth like twisting butter. So yeah, so I do have my products. So right now I'm on my computer and I'm just waiting for the Wi-Fi to restart, but I do use Shopify for when I'm doing everything. I got me a nice little iced coffee while I work, and I am about to open up this package that I got. And I had just got myself together a little bit just so I could do a little Instagram story post, just letting everybody know today's the last day of the sale. And if you guys aren't already following my Lavish Curls Beauty business page, make sure you follow me on there. And yeah, let's open this package and look at the ingredients. I found like a wholesale website for some ingredients and the price was amazing. So yeah, I can put you right there. The price was amazing. So this package is really heavy. They were delivering on Sunday, which is good. So this is how big it is. Super big package. Oh, and in case you guys are wondering, I didn't show you guys my little work shelf yet. So this is it, and I just keep everything organized basically for the hair growth oil in here. So I'll give you guys a little tour. My mom got this from Target for me. So the first shelf just basically has like the stuff from my Dymo printer in here. I use this to help make the oil. Has like cords, just random supplies, and then the actual Dymo in here, and my labels are right here for the products. And then here is all my envelopes for packaging, and then down here is the bottles and the tops. And then I keep the actual ingredients for the oil. I keep the actual ingredients for the oil in my like closet area. And then yeah, so that's basically what I do. I'm about to finally look at these ingredients. I don't want to actually show like the actual brand and stuff because, you know, everybody can't give out all your secrets, but hopefully this is a good. Oh, they gave me a little book, a little magazine. Basically a catalog. Comes with a catalog, that's cute. The envelope, wholesale. So basically it's like wholesale African products, because a lot of my ingredients are like African, like shea butter, mango butter. That's basically what I ordered. Oh, they gave me a free neem soap. That's nice. They gave me a free catalog of neem soap. Oh, everything's packaged nicely. Cause I was worried about that. I was worried about having any spills or anything. Okay. So I have my vitamin E oil that came. I have mango and shea butter. Then I have a separate mango butter. Look at this, y'all. It smells so good. This has to be shea butter. Yep, that's the shea butter. It smells so good. That thing is big. And the mango butters. I ordered 2 of those. And then I also have neem oil because I'm going to be making an oil for the people that have scalp psoriasis, because I have scalp psoriasis and I have a really good mixture that helps to lift off the flakes from your scalp, also help to grow your hair and keep your scalp hydrated. So I have a really good hair oil coming from my people that have scalp psoriasis as well. But yeah, the ingredients look amazing. Got this big old tub. Yeah guys, I'm excited. So basically right now I have to prepare the orders that I have online for Shopify. I have to print out the label and stuff, so I'll show you guys like clips of me doing that. And then also I have some drop-off orders I'm doing, which I'm going to be doing tomorrow. So yeah, the sale ends at 11:59 midnight. It's currently like 2 o'clock right now, so we still have the rest of the day until the sale is over to see what orders are going to be put in. And yeah, so I'll probably just do a little thing showing you guys how I'm working. I'm also going to be trying to figure out a new shipping method because I saw online that there might be a cheaper alternative, so I'm gonna look into that, and if I see any luck, I'm gonna let you guys know what that is. But yeah, I'm eventually gonna outgrow storing stuff in like my room and my closets for my workspace, and I'm gonna need like an actual work room. So probably in the next year or so, maybe look for a 3-bedroom apartment, because this is not gonna work, or maybe even a house. So yeah guys, I'm gonna just show you guys me working on the weekends like usual. Y'all, my Wi-Fi has been like acting stupid, but I'm so excited about this Easter sale. Like, this is literally the cheapest you're ever gonna get my product, 40% off. And then the next sale after that is going to be Mother's Day sale, but that's probably going to be like 30% off. So that's why I'm trying to tell everybody, you better take advantage, because it's the last time I'm ever going to have it at like 40% off. And in case you guys are wondering like how do you do a sale or discount stuff, Shopify has that on there where you can go to the discounts tab and basically you can do percent off, dollar off, buy one get one free. You can set it up and everything to create a sale. But yeah, my Wi-Fi is acting so stupid. Like, I just restarted it and it's still not working. It's going slow. And I need to be able to print these labels, but I could honestly, I know some people connect the Dymo to their phone and I could print it from there, because I also have the Shopify app on my phone. So I could do that. And I did meet my sales goal, so I'm happy. Okay, so when you go on Shopify, it'll basically tell you how many orders you have to fulfill, and basically each one is just a hair growth oil. But the most part I hate is printing the label. I don't know why, I just hate this step. But like I said, I'm trying to print it in a different way, so I'm about to try to find this website that I heard is cheaper. And y'all, when y'all promoting your business, you gotta go hard. Like, you gotta promote it YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, like all the social media websites. Make sure you're promoting your business, especially when you're having a sale, because sales are like the #1 time when you're really gonna make a lot of money, because a lot of people are like, okay, I gotta take advantage of this. And you gotta create like cool promos. So like for me, I posted a picture with the oil, but also this is my ad for it, basically my 40% off. That's the ad, and that's on my regular Instagram, and then I also have it on my business account. So for your business, make sure you're creating a separate Instagram. And also, anything you post on your actual feed, post it to your story, because sometimes people won't see your feed, but a lot of people are going through their stories, and so they'll basically see like your ad. Like, so I'm posting stuff on there and people can see it. So it kind of helps just give you more free promo. All right, y'all, so I finally figured out what the other shipping service was called, and it's a website called goshippo.com. And basically it can connect to your Shopify store, all sync, and yeah, you can basically get your shipping labels made for cheaper, and that way you can save even more money with your business. So that's what I'm going to be using for these orders today. So I'm very excited. I'll link the website so you guys can know, of course, what it's called. But yeah, I'm going to be using Go Shippo. And then I'm also looking up like a mixer, so for when I make my butter at home and I need to mix things up, it'll be easier. So I'm looking at basically the stand mixers, and I'm looking at Target right now. I see one for $29, but it's sold out right now. And then they have one for $39, and it's basically like the same thing, but it just has like one more setting speed, and plus it's pink, and you guys know Lavish Curls theme is like pink and stuff, so that would be cute for it. And there's only one left, so if I hurry up and order it, I can have it. But you know, I low-key would rather just have the $29 one than the $39, like, you know. But we'll see what I decide, because this one, the 29 only has 5 speeds, and the one that's 39 has 6 speeds. But I'm trying to look at the KitchenAid. So the KitchenAid's even bigger, it's 5 quarts, but it's $449, which is ridiculous, and I'm not spending that much money on something like that. But it has 10 speeds, so I don't know what I really need yet, but we'll figure it out. I'm about to get these labels together. Okay, so right now I'm logging on to Shippo, and I'm also going to get my Dymo printer set up. So this is my Dymo. Okay, so for shipping, that website Shippo ended up being the same price as Shopify's shipping, so I didn't even use it. I'm just going to use Shopify's. So I don't know, it's supposed to be cheaper, but it was the same exact price. All right, y'all, so I had tossed my hair up because my hair all on my face was getting on my nerves, but I'm about to go ahead and package. I'm gonna show you guys how I do the first 2 orders, and they both have the same exact order. It's just it's just 1 hair growth oil, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take these off, and it prints on here. I'm not gonna turn it the other way because I don't really want to show their address or anything. But yeah. out 2 oils. This is what they look like. So they're already packaged and ready. Go focus. So here are the oils already packaged and ready. So I'm gonna just do one at a time so y'all can see. So alright, so it's very easy. I just take the label off and I'm gonna line it up on here. And the next time I place an order for envelopes, I'm going to do bigger ones. These are kind of small. I'm just size up all my envelopes because it gets like a little bit of a tight fit. So looks like that. And then I just place the oil in. And I always make sure it's tightened, so I tighten it. Make sure it's in there good so there's no spillage. And I do use the bubble ones, the bubble wrap. And I just place that in there. And then I take off the seal. And just fold it over. And that's it. It's packaged and ready. I'm just gonna do a little quick boomerang so people can see like getting orders ready. Looks good. I add a little girl boss thing. Alright, looks like this. Super cute. Alright y'all, so I'm about to start making some more batches of hair growth oil, but if I do that, it's going to be showing like all my ingredients and kind of measurements and stuff, and that's not something I'm trying to give away and like show too much information about. But I hope for all my entrepreneurs out there, this was like inspirational and inspired you in some type of way to work on your business, keep pushing and things like that. Always make sure you guys comment down below your business, shout yourself out, go ahead. I love supporting businesses, so shout out your business that you got going on, and make sure you guys check out Lavish Curls Beauty in the description box. Yeah, we're basically a hair growth business. We specialize in making your hair grow, making it healthier, and also making it look good and making you confident in your natural hair. So if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.